In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add books to NotebookLM. By the end, you'll know how to find the tool, open or create a notebook, bring your book in as a source, and start researching with clear, grounded answers. Begin by opening your browser and searching for NotebookLM. In the results, choose the official Google NotebookLM site from Google. Sign in if prompted, and you'll land on the home screen where all your notebooks are listed. From here, you can create a new notebook or open one you already have. If you're starting fresh, creating a new notebook keeps your project organized from the start. Give it a descriptive name. Think the book title, author, or the project it supports, so it's easy to spot later and keeps related sources together. Inside your notebook, select Add Sources. This is where you'll add your book. Pick the option that matches where your content is stored. If the file is on your computer, choose Upload and select it. Text-based PDFs, Word documents, or other searchable formats work best. If your book is a scanned PDF, use OCR first so the text can be analyzed accurately. If the book is available on a public web page, paste the link, making sure it doesn't require a login or paywall. If it's in your cloud drive, connect and select it there, confirming that permissions allow access. And if you only need a chapter or a key excerpt, paste the text directly into the field. Include the book title and chapter at the top for context. Keep file names clear with the title and edition, and always respect copyright and usage rights. After you add the source, NotebookLM will process it. Larger files can take longer, so give it a moment. If an upload fails, try reducing the file size, splitting a very large book into parts, or checking that the link is publicly accessible. You can add multiple books the same way, and each one will appear in your sources list for that notebook. Once processing is complete, you can begin researching right away. Ask questions about themes, arguments, or definitions, and use summaries to get the big picture before you dive deeper. NotebookLM will ground its responses in your uploaded book and point you back to the exact passages with citations, which is great for verification. Try refining your prompts with chapter names or keywords to target specific sections, and compare answers across multiple sources to see how perspectives align or differ. That's it, your book is now in NotebookLM, ready for focused, source-backed research.